Okay, so for our project, we got a problem that interviewed 110 students divided in 3 classes. So in order to know the answer of what they're asking us, we need to do a Venn diagram first. To do the Venn diagram, you need to start from bottom to top, starting from the groups. So four students took all of the 3 subjects. 4 in the middle. Then 6 took nutrition and philosophy. So you go to nutrition and philosophy, 6 students, minus 4, 2 students. 10 took business and philosophy, you go to business and philosophy, so it's 10 minus 4, it's 6. 9 took business and nutrition, so it's 9 out of minus 4, 5. So after you place all those small numbers in the middle, you go to the big numbers and you subtract the middle, so you're gonna get 20 students studied only nutrition, 30 students studied only philosophy, and 13 students only studied business. So to get all the students that didn't study anything, you need to sum up all these numbers, and the answer is 30 students. And you put it outside the 3 circles. So now we go to our questions. First question, A, students that took none of the 3 subjects. So it's 30 out of the 110 students. 30 out of the 110 students. So it's 3 out of 11. And then B, students that took business yet no nutrition and philosophy. So it's gonna be 20 out of 110 students equals 20 out of, no, 2 out of 11. And then C, took philosophy and business and yet no nutrition. You add up the numbers and it's gonna give you 6 out of 110 equals 3 out of 55. And students that took business or nutrition. So for this, you need to, it says or. So we go here to our rule and or equals summing up the numbers. So it's gonna be 28 out of 110 plus 31 out of 110 equals 59 out of 110.
Our next problem that we have to solve is this one. Took at least 1 of 3 subjects. That means that in the Venn diagram, that whoever took at least 1, 2, or 3 courses should be included in this probability. So it's basically asking who didn't take the courses but the other number. So 30 people didn't have any classes at all. And you're talking that you had 110 students. So 110 students minus 30 would be 80. So you know that 80 people took at least 1 course. So that would give you 80 out of 110 that you can summarize as 8 out of 11. Now for our next problem, we have took at least 2 of 3 subjects. Our next problem is took at least 2 out of 3 subjects. I'm gonna go to the Venn diagram and see. These people only took 1 course, so these ones do not count. You know that these people took at least, 2 courses, and this one took 3, and they are asking us, took at least 2. So it is asking for people that took 2 or 3 courses. And I am going to add these numbers. 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. And the answer is 10, 15, 16, 17. 17. So you know that 17 out of 110 people, which means 17 out of 110 people took at least 2 subjects. I am going to get the percentage. So that means 15% took at least 2 out of 3 classes. Now, our next problem, it says took exactly 3 courses, which means that if we go to the Venn diagram over here, the only people that took 3 courses exactly are these ones in the middle. And you know that there are 4 out of 110. So 4 divided by 110 equals 0.03, which is equal to 3.63% of people took 3 courses. And now the last problem, took 1 course only. And the people that took only 1 course are this one. 20 plus 30, which is 50, plus 13, it's 63. So we know that 63 out of 110 people is 0.57, which gives us that 57% took only 1 course.
This is our problem number 21. The antiderivative from 0 to -1, and the function is 2 minus 3x dx.
So the first step we have to do is integrate the function with the formula x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So we have to do 2x over 1 plus 3x2 over 2 plus c.
Now that you have integrated your function, you need to plug in the values that are given in the antiderivative with the function. So now you just plug in your value. Now that you have plugged in your values, you can solve for the equation.
So when you have the formula done, you plug this in the calculator and the answer gives you 7/2